Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. As you can see, we are at the top 6th floor on the south side. The lights are on, they are working. I haven't actually gone through all of them yet, so we're gonna find out together if they work. But some of these are taped off, as you can see. They might not be on. But so far so good. I just feel like if they covered up the motion detectors, then they're gonna be off unless they're wired wrong, but so. Excuse me. I mean, they could be wired wrong, like the switch light could be tied into constant power, which would be an easy fix, but you can't really figure that out unless you're the first one here in the morning and then you walk in and then they turn on, or they're already on when you're here. So that's like the way to test it, but I feel like I might have wired one or two wrong on the fourth floor and 5th floor. I can double check that later, but we did finish these lights over the stairs, which took a long time, like half the day. I'm just trying to be safe and not falling down and taking a big crash. Had the ladder set up again and the scaffolding, and then basically just worked off an extension ladder for this one for the most part, and I was helping my coworker do that for a while. Kind of took turns. He did most of it though. Finished the rest of the pipe across the ceiling. If you were here last week, I left a little stub right here and then finished that. Did a 4-inch offset, set a box, another 4-inch offset, and then down here into the box, I bent this pipe right here. I was kind of proud of it. Just a 90 with actually it's a back-to-back 90. If you can see it right here, so it's back-to-back 90 with the offset into the box. Can't really see the offset, but anyways, I finished setting this one, set the anchors because he had to go help someone else, so set the anchors. It kind of looks like it's leaning to the left a little bit. That chain on the right looks like it's leaning a little bit, but yeah, set the anchors, set the chains, set the light, wired it up, and it was kind of sketched. But it wasn't too bad. Leaned it up against this way, and then I was just basically hugging this fire sprinkler pipe in case I fell or anything, but it was just more comfortable that way with the way that my body was against the wall, the ladder and all that stuff. So anyways, it wasn't as bad as I thought, and I'll go show you the elevator. I worked on the elevator after this, not the elevator itself, but worked on some lights and stuff that'll be going in there, so I'll go show you that real quick and I'll splice the video together. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. I highly appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be working in the elevator shaft Monday morning, trying to finish that basically, assuming we'll have to pull the wire in, but I just have to do like a 90-degree little piece of pipe out of the bottom of the plug box, which is going to be a GFCI or GFI, and then I'm going to mount 2 lights on the wall and then just tie those together, and then assuming pull wire through that as well, and then I don't think I'm going to make it in time for 30 minutes, but anyways, that's the plan. Is just going to work in there, try to get the lights done, the plug and the switch, I guess. So I don't know if I have to get all that done or just the lights, but anyways, that's the plan. That's what I'm going to be working on Monday morning. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe, and God bless as always. I will see you back on Monday for more work videos, and maybe something over the weekend. I'm pretty sure my weekend is pretty much all accounted for time, so probably nothing this week, but it's my plan to do stuff in the future on the weekends. I don't know what this guy's doing here in front of me, but anyways, that'll be it, guys. I will see you later. Have a good one. Peace out. And one more thing, I will be checking the giveaway today, see if anyone claimed it. If not, it will be going to the next person, see if they claim it. But if not, the third person should get it because I've already talked to them. But anyways, we'll see how the giveaway goes. Still waiting on that, which is unfortunate. But anyways, cleared out a bunch of storage on my phone last night, so I should be good to make videos for a while now. I have like 11 gigs and I had like 2 forever, so should be good for on videos now. And I've been wearing this beanie that I made for the last couple weeks. It's been nice, just keeping the hair out of my eyes and stuff like that while I'm working. Keep my hair in one place and just put the hard hat on top. It's been getting kind of dirty, so kind of need to clean that a little bit. But yeah, if you didn't know, I'm a crochet master, and I learned that about at the age of 10 or so. And I got a green one, a white one, and a red one because I gave all the other ones away or made them for other people. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you later. And I'll try to, I still need to make like the whatever, like 20 or 30 things about me, just so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. I know it's mainly just for electrical videos and whatnot, but if anyone's interested, I will try to make a get to know me video or things about me that you might not know or whatnot. So let me know if that's something you'll be interested in watching, and I will see you later. That is all. Peace out. Just kidding, everyone. Drop me a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Drop a comment if you got anything to say, any questions, and that is all, my friends. See you later.